Hello everyone, in this tutorial we'll learn how to make sphere or this kind of geometry in SolidWorks by using revolve boss base command. Along with that, we'll see what is thin feature in revolve command. So let's get started. First of all, select new, select part and click OK. Now we'll change this IPS to millimeter gram seconds. Now we'll see couple of examples where we use revolve command. Select front plane, select sketch. First we'll see how to make sphere. So we'll select center point arc. Draw one arc here. Select smart dimension. Select the arc. And we'll give radius 100 mm. Now we'll draw one line here. Select line. Select. Now select the line. Hold the control key. Select origin point. And give relation midpoint. And click OK here. Now the sketch is fully defined. You can make center line instead of normal line. Or else you can convert this line to the center line. Now go to the features. Select revolve boss base. Here in this option of axis of rotation, we'll select this line as axis of rotation. If you want full sphere, then keep this value 360 degree. If you want semi sphere, then change it to 180 degree. Or else you can put any value as per your requirement. Or else you can drag this arrow. Again we'll make it to 360 degree. And click OK here. We have made a sphere by using revolve command. Let's see another example. We have to delete this first. Select sketch 1, select edit sketch. Select this whole sketch and delete it. Now we'll draw another sketch here. Select line. This is the random sketch I have drawn and you can see the sketch is underdefined. If I give dimension 1 by 1 to each line, then it will take too much time. To save the time, drop down this display delete relation and select fully defined sketch. Select here calculate and click OK. Now the sketch is fully defined. Now again go to the features. Select revolve boss base. Now we'll select this line as axis of rotation. We can change the axis of rotation. If we select this line as axis of rotation, the geometry is changed. Again we'll change the axis of rotation. We have another options here, direction 2 and thin feature. Now we'll see direction 2 option. Okay, let's decrease this angle. You can do it by using this arrow as well. Now click on the direction 2. If we increase this degrees, you can see that it starts adding material from the sketch. We'll see this thin feature in next example. Now click OK here. So this kind of geometry we can make by using revolve command. Now we'll delete this and let's see a last example. Select this revolve to command and press the delete key. Now again select sketch 1 and select edit sketch. Select whole sketch and delete it. Select normal 2. Now we'll draw last sketch here. Select line. Again drop down display delete relation, select fully defined sketch, select calculate and click OK here. Now the sketch is fully defined. Now we'll draw one line here. select. You can draw center line as well, or else select this line and change it to the construction geometry. Now go to the features, select revolve boss base. If there is only one center line in the sketch, then it will be automatically selected. Now we'll see thin feature option. Select thin feature. Thin feature means it will make geometry hollow inside and provide some thickness. Here we have three options: one direction, mid plane and two direction. One direction means it will make thickness only in one direction of the sketch. If you want this thickness inner side of the sketch, then select this box of reverse direction. We can increase or decrease this thickness. Let's change it to 5 mm. Now see the thickness is reduced. Again drop down this arrow and select mid plane. Now you can see the thickness is provided to the both sides of the sketch. Now we'll see two direction. Now we have to decrease this thickness of second direction. So we'll make it 2 mm. Now see the thickness of one side is 5 mm and another is 2 mm. Now click OK here. Now we'll apply material to this. Go to the appearance. Select metals. Select any metal you want. Drag this metal, drop on the component and select body. So today we have learned how to use revolve command in SolidWorks. If you have any query, ask in the comment section. If you find this video informative, like this video and subscribe to the channel for upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching the video.